How to lock Insta with Face ID on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can lock Instagram with Face ID on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is you'll need to update your iPhone's software. Make sure that it is updated to the latest version. If you see an update available, tap on update. If you don't know how you can update it, this is what you do. First, open up your settings on your iPhone, scroll down till you find General, tap on General, and there you will see Software Update. Tap on it. Now, this will scan for your updates available. If there is enough update available, it will give it to you like this. Now, tap on Install Now to install it. After doing that, head over to where your Instagram is. Now, long press on Instagram, and there you will see an option that says Require Face ID. Tap on it and tap on Require Face ID. After you do that, it will take your Face ID once, and after doing that, your Face ID is good to go. Now whenever you open up your Insta, it will take your Face ID. So yeah, that's basically how you do it, guys. That is how you lock Instagram with Face ID. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.